This is the MUCAR CDE900 Pro OBD2 scanner and diagnostic tool. This is sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And this is the upgraded version of the old CDE900 right here. And it's got a lot of cool features that the old one didn't have. In particular, one of the things that I really like is that on the old scanner, the cable wasn't detachable. And then with this one, you get a 3-foot detachable cable, which I really like because it makes it easier to store. Set of instructions with it that are easy to read, and it's got pictures on there for you, so it's easy to figure out. And you get a charging cable with it because this is a rechargeable device. This is a tool that features multiple add-on software packages, so it's probably perfect for a professional mechanic, but it does come with features that someone like myself, a driveway enthusiast, can do. I can scan my car, I can read codes, I can troubleshoot, I can see what the codes are and all that stuff. It has a really large 5-inch touchscreen on here, or you can use the keypad if you want, but the touchscreen has a lot of cool features on there. You can pull it down, this kind of stuff. When you want to recharge it, the plug's right here, and also you can put a mini SD card in here. It comes with 32 gigs of onboard memory that is expandable up to 256 gigs, so that's pretty cool. If you go into the settings here, you can check for updates. There's Wi-Fi and there's Android 6.0 on here. And it has a DTC code library, so you can tap on a DTC code and it'll take you to a Google search for more information about that code, which I think is cool. You can change the time zone that you're in. And when you're hooked up to Wi-Fi, you can do the updates. Sometimes they send bug fixes. I've already got one. You can do screenshots in here. You can access your photo album through here, screen recording, all kinds of cool stuff. As far as the screen recording goes, this is kind of neat. You actually can slide this down right here, grab the screen recorder right there. As soon as you press that, it'll start recording it. It starts the recorder, records the screen if you needed to send that to a customer or something like that. If you go to here, it's got a actual screenshot feature, so you can hit this and it screenshots it and saves it to your photo album. You can go into the camera settings, go into our photo album, and you can see we've got our video and our screenshots saved on here, which is pretty cool. Screwed into place so it doesn't fall out. On your car, you will have an OBD, I keep calling it ODB, OBD2 port. Mine's right up underneath it here. The way this is designed, it's kind of like holding a video game in a sense. It just feels good in your hand. It's very, very solid feeling. The screen's awesome, obviously. Really user-friendly. Everything's right here, and touchscreen too, you know. I just plugged the machine in. It's telling me to turn the car on or turn the ignition on. And from here, let's press the start button and we can access all the different features. So let's do an auto search on here, see if it finds it. There it is, GM 2015 Sonic. Look at that. So it did a VIN scan on my car. That's pretty cool. We have a scan section, we have a reset section, auto search, we have a history. Let's do code, freeze frame, read codes, no fault codes. All right, live data stream. That's pretty cool. Throttle position. Oh, that's awesome. So you can actually live monitor the car. I'm looking pretty good here. Evap system, fuel system. This is great. This will be great for me to run before I go to the DMV. You can see some of the expandable features you can get on here. Multi-system software, full system. There's a 4-in-1 package right here. Single model packages. You can see the reports, the stuff that we've ran. Some other tests that we have available here. Fuel pump, VIN, calibration, all kinds of stuff. This is probably better in the hands of a professional mechanic. Evap system test, DTC lookup. You can type in a code and search for a DTC. I don't have any codes to report, but as you can see, it's a pretty powerful scanner. It's got a lot of features on there and options. If you want to really maximize its power, its effectiveness, and the productivity of the scanner, the main feature of this diagnostic tool is going to be the multiple upgrade software packages that you can get that'll cover pretty much everything a pro or a novice would want in a scanner. For me as an amateur, the scanner is great for reading or clearing error codes or making sure that my car is going to pass inspection when the time comes. But there it is, the MUCAR CDE900 Pro.